video. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul and like 3 things from the 99-cent store. So let's get rolling to the haul. I haven't done any DIY videos right now because I'm busy doing something else, but I'm pretty sure I'll get back at you with some DIY videos. So I'm going to show you what I got from Dollar Tree. First, we got these, and these are net backyard travels. Is that thing says is a butterfly net. Look at that, the tag, butterfly net, and this is like a circle pink, and they also had a circle lime green, and then this one is like a square, and it's a purple, and then the stick is wood, and it's like wrapped in some kind of a plastic, just like that. Luna and Layla got one for each other because they wanted one, so we got that one. Right now they are kind of moving out all of the summer items and putting in back to school items so soon, so quickly, but they're doing that at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, so I'm going to show you a few little things that I got from there to see if you're interested in all. And because I haven't put a video up, I thought I should do one. Since Father's Day is coming up, they do have a few items for Father's Day that you can still get, and one of them is one of these glasses. I was going to put something in there so you could see what it says. This is the one I like. They have others, but this is the one I like that is more suitable for my husband. Look at this. I'm not gonna give one like this for my dad because he doesn't drink beer, but my husband does. Look at that. It says professional beer tester. The glass is a good size. It's kind of small for a beer, I would think, but it's a good size, and it's the big thick bottom. And this one, it's a Crystar brand, which is this is more like onto this brand. It's an item that is well made. It's not so cheap from the Dollar Tree, if you know what I mean. Yes, so there's that one for Father's Day. And I also saw this sign. Look at this, that workshop, and it has 3 rules. It says, if it isn't broken, don't fix it. Go ask your mother. When in doubt, use duct tape. I think I've seen this one on other years, and this is just like a return item. They had other little things, but my husband recently did a new shed over here on the backyard, and I think this should be pretty nice in there. It does have those little holes on 4 of the corners, and it is aluminum or tint material, so I think it's going to be cute to add in the Father's Day gift that I have for him. So I got that one. I also got these 3. They only had 3, and I think I've only seen it in pink. They didn't have the blue one. These, look at this. I got all 3 packets, and it has 4 humongous baby shower favor. It's a pacifier, but I have another idea with these, so I got all 3 packets of 4, so that makes 12. Yeah, 12 of them. So I got all 4. Like, these items fly off the shelf really quickly because they're a good value for $1. And there's so many baby showers coming. Organza bags. I use them for my small business, for my keychains and earrings and necklaces that I sell, that I make gummy bears and things like that. And I use them, and I only have the white color with a different kind of color of string, and I saw this blue one, then I saw the lime green, and then the pink one. So I got all the 3 colors that they have. They do have 8 organza bags in it. I know that I could got a bunch of them in for more money, for more items of the Amazon, but I don't do much or many of them, so I think these are nice. I still have whites, but I never see these colors there. So yeah, I think I went on the day that they were doing the packing and storing, like backing up the thing, so that's what I think. This is a repeat. I do have it right here, but I think this one, it's well, it's a little lighter. The letters are lighter than this one. I don't remember how many there were, but probably there were the same amount. 325 pieces for the alphabet beads, and I think they're a bit stronger on the color. So that's why I got those. And then I got these. I have gotten the beads on my other haul that are wood. I got these ones. These ones are your traditional beads for necklaces and such, and sometimes for little gifts on my small business I make little necklaces or bracelets as a gift. So I got these for the same purpose as that one. Then the purpose of me going to the Dollar Tree was to find these flower bases or little bases, candle holders. I don't know what these are. It doesn't really say what it is. To make a makeup brush holders, and I wanted at least maybe 5 of them, but I didn't find 5. I only found 3 of them. And look at this one. This one has glitter inside. Somebody open a glitter thing and then pop in there. You see the shape of it? I got 3 of these. Then I saw these other ones that are a little bit heavier on the bottom. I think they're from the same distributor. I could be mistaken because this one feels like a better quality than this one. And this one has the heavy bottom. And from this one, I only found 2 of them that I still got them. But look at the shapes of them. They're a bit different. This one's a little bit taller and it has a little curve, and this one's just straight. But they're for the same purpose, to make makeup brush holders. I'm going to do a pop-up event and I want to have those. I've seen people do these, but they seem a little bit bigger on the pictures than they actually are. Maybe I could be missing on them, and they do. Dollar Tree does carry a bigger size, but I think this is the size that they carry. So I got 3 of these and then 2 of those. Yeah. And the items that I got from the 99-cent store from another trip are this one. I did grab the acrylic paint on green, and this one is non-toxic water-based. I ran out of my green one, so I bought this backup. See how good it is. Then I also got from the 99-cent store, they have the whole party area or section. It's great for if you do a small business for decorating for parties or balloon decorating or things like that. You should check that one out first and then the other place, because they do carry a bunch of things that you could have for your business. I did buy these baggies. These ones are 99 cents. They're calling them treat loot bags from their party section. It has 12 on each packet. I got the pink one and the blue one. They also got a green one and then white. I got these ones for the pop-up event that I'm gonna have, to have like a shopping bag for my smaller items. I do have bigger ones from like I think 2 years ago, or 2 years ago, because coronavirus. 2 years ago they were big and they had a bunch of them in one. They didn't have it no more. I think they do have the big packet and it only carries 4 bags. And before, I think it was 8 of them. I don't remember, or maybe 12. But there were more, but they're going into smaller sizes now. And I like these ones. They're great quality. They're not like a loot bag, like a treat bag that are flimsy and for candy, you know. These ones are good quality. They're thicker. Let me show you one. Let me take it out of the bag. Look at this. They're a bit transparent, but you can still see the color. Look at this. You can see the item inside. You can see my hand, and it's sturdy. It's like a shopping bag from a store. Yeah, so I got that one. And then I also got, the last thing to show you, a Gorilla Glue stick that I hadn't seen this presentation on. This was a $1.99 item, but it says an extreme value, so this is not $1.99 in another place, so it's a good buy. This is for great for paper, wood, photos, and yeah. And I got it specifically when I do the cake toppers for the papers, and I got this one, $1.99, a brand. Yeah, I think that is all that I have to show you guys today. Hopefully you guys like this video. Comment down below what was your favorite item, and stay tuned for my DIY videos coming real soon. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.